Looking for a large semi-private lake, twin lakes in Wabash County in which to build your dream home? Look no further. This property is available with 11 adjoining lots, plus one across the lake, over 1 acre of land, and 285 feet of lake frontage. This beautiful, secluded property has rolling land, absolutely breathtaking views, and lots of privacy. Previous owner had imagined building a 2-story home on the top of the hill with a walkout basement. However, due to a necessary move, they need to sell the property. Property is located in just minutes from North Manchester and close to shopping and activities.